3. Four. This last one, 5. Oh man, there's no movement whatsoever. All right, let's go. Three.
Number 4. Now, Robert, the G10 is deformed, as you would expect, and there is a little bit of play, but it absolutely passes, and you've absolutely been safe. It has not closed, it would not close on your fingers, even in all that abuse.
Yeah, dude, I'm really impressed. It's a beautiful looking knife. A lot of contrast in the handle, and to have it hold up that well is absolutely awesome.
Yeah, it's still usable. Okay. We'll start with 100 pounds. And I think our goal will be 150. But let's see. You never start at your goal, or it wouldn't be a goal, right? Okay. Raise it up just a bit for me. I'm good right there. Okay. Now Robert, there's nothing in this frame. There's no steel inserts except under the pocket clip. There's a steel insert where you can screw into it. Yes, to anchor that in. The rest, all composite construction. No problem. Good.
So that held the 100 pounds easily. I see no fatigue marks in this at all. Easy to open. Closes right back up smooth. Recap, this knife has way exceeded our expectations already.
The goal was 150. We're at 200. That's a good bit higher than the goal. So let's see. And it held all that weight a few times.
Yeah.
Okay. That is pushing the limit of that material to the maximum.
Yeah, I can see it. I don't think it'll take much more. I can see the fatigue here,
Yeah.
but
Still, look. It's still a working, safe knife.
can't beat it. I mean, for a long, lean, sexy looking knife,
That's right.
That's awesome.
Very happy with that result. Yeah.